Okay, so at first glance, you'll notice our headers toward the top here. So dashboard, reports, inventory, customers, site management, and utilities. So these are the headers to help you organize your workflow in our software. When you start a program like this, there's probably generally a question there too, is, what kind of support am I going to see, or what kind of support am I going to get using this kind of software? So if you notice on the right-hand side, we have a number of additional icons. First of which is messaging. So this actually allows us to message with you directly, and we have a 30-minute time frame where if you do send us a message, we're going to get back with you within 30 minutes. That is our not only a goal, but that is what our average is, that or below. So we're very, very quick to respond. We actually have a team of dedicated personnel to do so. Additionally, so you can send us a message, put attachments here, additional things, talk to text helps too, or we can search things such as getting started, or how to start certain things. From there, we have a question box. This is our help center, and you can actually search for articles. So such as online Aliquot migration training. This is a good one here, getting started. So we do have videos to also support you here. Describe various details about our software. So very, very helpful tools there to also help you with your internal representatives that are probably coming to you with a lot of questions, right? So not only do we have a team dedicated to support you, but we have tools in the software to help support you and your team in the field, to help them answer their own questions or to help you do the same. Here we have a notifications box. And so what that means is if you are supposed to receive a notification, this is where that will land internally within the system. So if you do, let's say you want to have a notification hit you if a inventory amount is hit, or a system meter goes over or under a certain amount, then this is where you'd be able to go in there and receive these notifications. Very good for daily organization. And then also, of course, yourself. This is where you can edit your own profile, including your information, signature, and if you do want to include an image.